back in the garage. It's been a while. It's been way too long. We've been busy with school and all sorts of stuff. But we're back at it. We're going to stay back at it. It's summer now. We have time. And we're excited to be back to doing this. So today is May 18th. And tomorrow is May 19th. May 19th is the date of this year's Spring Matsuri, which is a car show that's put on by the car group that I'm a part of, Garage Kayusha, which we have... There's the banner, Garage Kayusha. And so tomorrow's the show. We have a lot of prep to do on our cars in order to be ready for the show. And also on my motorcycle. I have a Yamaha XJ550. It's never been in a video. Now it has. It's been a fantastic bike. Just recently repainted the tank. The carbs are off. We're modifying the rear end. So we need to finish some stuff on that. We need to clean this thing and like detail it. We need to put new spark plug wires in that. And I think new carpet. Lots of stuff to do on this. And then my car's over there. It's changed a ton since you last saw it. And the biggest difference is wheels. And it's lowered a little bit now. And has the wind deflector and the roof rack. And so yeah, maybe not a ton. But it's definitely changed. So there's my car. So yeah, that's our plans for today, is work on stuff and get ready for the show tomorrow. We'll also be filming at the show, so we'll get some good footage. And it's going to be a lot of fun. If you're in the Utah area, make sure to come to future Spring Matsuris, because they are, I think, but I'm biased, the best show in the state. Alright, so I'm working on my bike currently. I'm working on a new rear light assembly for it. Let me show you what I've got so far. So I have this cheap eBay light. Super simple, a few LEDs. I am okay with how it looks, so I'm gonna go ahead and use it. And then it's mounted where the old light used to be. I've already modified this enough that you can't really tell exactly how it used to be, but I didn't want to lose my little box. So this little handy box goes right in here, and I keep gloves and other stuff in it, and I didn't want to lose that, so I didn't want to modify this rear end too much. So what I've done, got the light here, and then the turn signals are going to be mounted there. And then I'm going to build a metal plate to cover this entire thing and just have the light showing through. And I think it'll turn out pretty well. I tried to build a metal plate the other day and it didn't work out wonderfully. So we're going to see how a second attempt goes. I'm building a plate for the, I'm gonna mount the GoPro and then keep talking. Making a little plate for the light. So the light's here, this plate, the light will, in a moment, fit through it perfectly. Kind of like that, but all the way through. And then this plate will go on the rear over the light to, like, hide the fact that there's anything but a light there. I don't know if that makes sense, but it will in a minute. Ow. Okay, so it's coming along nicely. You can see how it's supposed to fit in there. You can see Chris's face. Yep. Stop touching. So this will then go in here. And, you know, make the rear end look nice and clean once it's all done, and not just a big piece of metal, because that's not, you know, not attractive.
It isn't? I thought that would turn you on.
You're weird. Did you get the oil change done?
Yeah.
Okay, what's next? What do we have to do?
Don't put your cars back on.
Okay. We have a list right here. We need to put the rear light on. We need to tension the chain. We need to lube the chain. Reinstall the carbs. We need to wash the bike. We need to tune the suspension. I think that's about it. Oh, and spark plug wires on the 620, so, yeah.
And then we probably need to clean the Starlet, too.
Yeah, we might do that. So my dream car is a Toyota Starlet. And a friend of mine in our car group in Garage Kayusha has a Toyota Starlet. And he is going to be out of town for the show, so he's left it with us so we can take it to the show. And it's sitting right there. I'm giddy about it. The Toyota Starlet has long been my favorite car ever. I really want one. I almost bought that one, but it was a bit out of my price range at the time, and I decided to go with something a bit newer so I could daily drive it. But someday I'll get my hands on a Starlet. Until then, I just will continue to ogle his because it's awesome. She lives! Oh, look at that!
Doesn't that sound good, Miles?
It does. Loud, but good.
Yeah, loud.
I've yet to find a bike that's louder than me.
My bike?
Without the...
Cat?
Oh, well, actually, your 850s might be.
I think my 850 is louder.
Probably, because that thing's monstrously loud.
But it sounds good. I like the sound of that one.
So, light case. It's, you know, all bent up. Super lovely. Not really. It's kind of trashy. But I'm not done with it yet, and it'll look better when I finish it. Yeah. I don't know where the light is off the top of my head, and I'm not done with it, or else I'd show you what it's going to look like. So you're going to have to keep waiting.
Sun's finally coming out, so we may sneak up and get some rides, I think. That'd be fun.
Go grab a coffee or something.
Yeah.
We have a lot of stuff to do.
We do.
Hello. Sexy thing. So it's been a long day. Done a lot of welding and done a lot of building stuff. I ended up welding up a bunch of stuff for a friend's car. Turned out really well. Took up most of my day, like 3-4 hours of welding.
Yeah. It was not sure.
But we have the light thingy done and mounted. We need to add the license plate mount, and then it'll be totally good. But here's what it looks like. It's not perfect, but it works. It's
I think
good.
it looks good.
I think it'll do for now. We may change it in the future, but
It holds pretty
it
well.
works now. We'll see what we think. Yeah, so we need to get the tank back on it. It's off because the petcock is leaking. And then what else is on our list?
Clean it.
Rear light. We need to tension the chain and lube the chain, clean the bike, and reinstall the tank. And then I think we're done with this thing for today. And then maybe do the stickers on the Corolla, or we don't really have to.
Do you want to sticker it like tomorrow?
Not really, no.
Yeah, it's a lot of work.
Yeah.
Well, I don't want the rain to get on it. That's the only thing, you know?
Yeah, it's true. I don't want to script the adhesive. So we'll probably call it after we finish up with the 550. Alright, so we are done with everything we need. Well, everything we're going to do today. There's more stuff we could do, but I'm exhausted, he's exhausted. And we have to be up at 7 a.m. tomorrow, or 6 a.m. tomorrow in order to get ready and for the show and get the show set up and everything. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a long day. My bike has turned out super well. As you can see, we've got the rear lights on it. Show you that. Came out nicely. Blinkers. We've got the new shocks on it. We need to do some fine tuning on that. We've got the license plate mounted. I hate doing side mounts, but it works. I'm probably going to change that in the near future. Bad news is I painted the tank a little while ago, and then I got a lot of gasoline on it today. Totally destroyed the finish. I don't know how well you can tell through the camera, but it is bad. It's super bad. You can see it even totally took it down to the metal in that spot right there. So we'll be repainting the tank, or we're thinking of maybe doing a sticker bomb. I'm not entirely sure yet. Yeah, I guess we'll see you in the next video, which will be of tomorrow's event. The Garage Cayuga Spring Matsuri. It's the best show in Utah, in my opinion. Though I'm biased because I help run it. Peace.